welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a wet set on my client. I really like doing these because of how simple they are. These are probably the easiest sets to do in my opinion, just because it's really like pick up and place, just like the classic lashes. But today I was only able to film like the middle section of this set, but I did leave the lash map on there for you guys so you can see what I did. And also we're doing a open eye slash a doll eye. So for this type of style, what I did is I'm not really putting the longest lengths jet set in the middle. I'm moving them a little more towards the outer corner, but not like cat eye type. It's just a little section that's moved over just to give the illusion of a cat eye, but at the same time keeping the integrity of her natural eye shape. We don't want to droop down her eyes. So best thing to do whenever a client really wants something like a cat eye or something to really open their eyes but still give them that like exaggerated feel towards the outer corners, you move the longer lengths just a small like section towards the outer corner to really give you that effect. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing with my client today. So yeah, you guys just keep on watching and see how the application process is. It's quite simple. You just pick up the extension off the strip and you just start placing. I love watching these videos whenever I was first starting out, because I really got the understanding of how it is just to pick up and then place the lashes, or mostly how to place the lashes correctly on the natural lash extension. But yeah, so watching these types of videos I made me really like be able to see it, because I think like learning wise I am very much a visual learner, so I'm hoping with these videos y'all are able to grab something from it. So without further ado, I will just let you guys watch this video and I will hop back in here once I'm done. Okay guys, so thank you again so much for watching and please enjoy the video. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the stopping point here. The video does end a little bit abruptly, but all I did was finish off my inner corners going from 14mm all the way down to 11mm, and just adding my spikes just to make it look like a wet set look. But yeah, that's all I did. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video and how the results turned out. If you have any questions or recommendations for future videos, please do leave it in the comment section down below, and like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. It means the world to me. Yeah, and I will go ahead and catch you guys on the next video. So I'll see y'all then. Bye.